Are you looking for the best micro TIG welders? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best micro TIG welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Weld Pro Inverter 200mm Multi-Purpose Welder. Here is one of the multidimensional best small TIG welder that contains 3-in-1 welding process. The welding machine can be used for MIG welding and lift TIG welding also. So quite a fantastic welding machine, or you can say that an exceptional welding machine at a relatively fair price. The multi-function welder can weld various metals with an additional feature of a spool gun and a digital display for easy control. Do you want to buy an actual multitasking TIG welding plant? The welding machine has versatility in welding operations. It can carry out MIG welding, TIG welding, stick welding, and lift TIG welding. This welder fits best for farm work, construction work, DIY work in general, and different fabrication methods. In short, we can say that it is a type of entry-level equipment for beginners but can surprise inexperienced work also. Digital display. Firstly, a dual digital display is embedded in the welder machine, which provides the user access to control and monitor temperature and voltage easily, and speed of the wire. The system also contains overload indications and in addition to a user-friendly interface. Adjustable settings. Weldpro provides a user-friendly and flexible machine, which can remote itself according to the customer's needs. You can adjust the best micro TIG welder inductance by plus or minus 5% and voltage by plus or minus 20% to provide repeatable welding operations. At number 2. Lotus 3-in-1 Combo LTPDC 2000D. LTPDC 2000D Lotus 04ZVGR008D is a multifunctional welder used as a plasma cutter, TIG, and stick welder. It is the best little TIG welder that performs 3 functions in a single unit. Here we discuss the features of LTPDC 2000D Lotus 3-in-1 Combo Welding Machine. 3-in-1 Combo, Lotus 04ZVGR008D performs multifunction using a single machine. It has a dual voltage and can be plugged in 220V and 110V power supply. It comes with a 50A pilot arc plasma cutter, 200A TIG welder, and welder. Plasma cutter. The plasma cutter has a maximum output of 10 to 150 amperes. It has an ideal cut that can cut the thickness up to ½ inches. Compared to that, the maximum severance thickness is 3/4 inches. The plasma cutter has durable and stable performance. Pilot arc. Lotus LTPDC 2000D consists of a non-touch pilot arc torch officially cuts though painted, rusty, and rough surfaces. Also, it produces minimal slag. It helps you when cutting deprived of touching the tip of the metal. It creates a better cutting quality. TIG welder. DC TIG welder has a maximum output of 15 to 200 amperes. It can be used for welding thinner gauge materials, stainless steel, and steel. It is suitable for foot pedal welding and has a high frequency start. Stick welder. This DC stick welder has a power output of 15 to 200 amperes. It has an easy arc start. Lotus LTPDC 2000D provides a stable welding arc and beautiful welding shape. The arc current of this welder is adjustable that can enhance the arc starting function. Different types of acid and necessary electrodes are used for welding. Portability. Lotus 04ZVGR008D is a lightweight machine that weighs only 43 pounds. It is the best micro TIG welder that can be easily carried out at a desired position. At number 3. PowerTIG 185DV Everlast Welder 2021. I highly recommend buying this device as it is the smallest and lightest AC/DC IGBT-based inverter welder in its class. Everlast 185DV is a dual voltage welder that can be plugged in any outlet. This welder comes with a modular design, and it also consists of 2 pre-programmed settings. These settings help in the selection of pulse from 1 to 50 for each second. Another essential feature of this welder is that it has a reasonable duty cycle and a wide range of adjustments. This welder is also helpful in smooth arc welding. It is a lightweight and portable welder that comes with IGBT technology. This welder has a lift and high-frequency TIG start. Here we discuss the features of PowerTIG 185DV 2021 Best Micro TIG Welder. AC/DC modes. The welding machine is fully capable of delivering its performance in both AC and DC modes. Hence Everlast 185DV is a welder. With these options, the user can weld both AC and DC types of welding metals. So, this gives more operational versatility to the machine. Portability. Everlast 185DV has a weight of only 40 pounds, which is easy to lift in transport. The size and dimensions are also adorable, and you can easily accommodate it in small places. IGBT technology. The presence of IGBT technology makes this TIG welder reliable. Also, the TIG welder's performance is increased very prominently compared to those that don't have this. Spoon gun. Spoon is an additional feature that is present in this TIG welding machine. With the use of this spoon gun, the user will be able to weld aluminum also. Heavy-duty design. The construction and design of the TIG welder are very robust and rugged. This complete frequency design does not require much maintenance, hence quite a reliable welding machine. At number 4. Forney 29801 EasyWeld 100 ST. The Forney EasyWeld 100 ST is easy to work and conservative, those giving you to convey at any place you need to weld. It has easy start technology that conveys each arc hit a breeze. This TIG welder has the power of DIY. You can utilize it for repair, support, and specialist. Here are some valuable features or Forney 298 that you must know. Lift arc TIG capable. The Forney EasyWeld 100 SC is ideal for fledglings. 100 SC stick welder likewise has the TIG welder, which includes an inventive and inverter technology framework that is lightweight to convey wherever for the TIG and stick welding and easy to work, guaranteeing the issue of free performance and best creation results. Controls. With the help of easy controls of the welding machine, one can easily control the device's weld and gas flow speed. This welder gives precise welding control and accuracy to the user. Due to these, it is the best TIG welder. Build-up. Forney welding machine has a substantial build-up that increases the durability of the machine. The machine's outer body is made of high-quality metal that protects it from everyday welding wear and tear. Components included. This TIG welder consists of the following components: 8-foot ground clamp, 8 MIG gun, 20A15A adapter, and integrated handle having torch wrap. Controllable feed rate. This best portable TIG welder can be used as a welder or a flux cord welder. The feed rate of this machine is controllable and can be adjusted by using a dial. This controllable feed rate helps in efficient welding that protects excess use of wire.